Hey guys, my name is Thomas from RTR Tech Talks, and in this video I'm going to show you the top 5 plugins for WordPress in August 2021. We will be making this video every month, so stay tuned by subscribing and hitting the bell icon. So head on to our dashboard and under Plugins, select Add New. Under the Feature tab, you can see the Classic Editor. Before installing this plugin, head on to All Posts and edit any post. As you can see, this is the default editor layout for posts. Everything looks cluttered. Now go back and install Classic Editor and activate it. Now go back to the post editor page and hit refresh. Now you can see the new layout for post editor window. The new layout looks more clean and refined. The next plugin on our list is the Elementor page builder. Search for the plugin in the search box. This is one of the most widely used page builders in WordPress since the default editor in WordPress is not user friendly and does not have extensive customization options. Click on install. And then activate the plugin. Now head on to Add New page and enter the page title of the new page. Enter the page title and click on Edit with Elementor. As you can see, this is the Elementor editor window. You can drag and drop widgets like this. We'll be doing a later video on Elementor as a separate playlist. Now go back to Add New Plugin and search for WP Forms. Click on Install Now and after installation, click on Activate. After activation, there will be a landing page where you should click on Create your first form. There are different pre-built form layouts. If you want a customized form, click on Blank Form. In the free version of WP Forms, there are only standard fields available. The rest of the fields are grayed out. So just drag a field and drop it in the blank space. To change the name or label of the field, just click on the field and you will have the option to change the label of the field. You can check the required field if you want. Save the form and click on Embed Form. A shortcode will be generated automatically which can be embedded in any page. So the next plugin in our list is the Yoast SEO plugin. Install and activate the plugin. Now go to All Posts and edit any post. On scrolling down, you can see the Yoast SEO options. You can see how the post will appear in the Google search results. A detailed video on Yoast SEO will be coming soon, so stay tuned. The last plugin on our list is the SEO support plugin. Install the plugin and activate it. I have an SVG file in my downloads folder. I am going to deactivate the plugin for the time being. Go to Media, Add New, and upload the SVG image. WordPress will show an error because SVG is not officially supported extension. Now activate the plugin and try again. You can now see that the image has been uploaded successfully. And is now present in the media library. That's all for this video. Thank you guys and have a nice day. And stay tuned for more exciting videos.